Hello, good evening. We have a package day from my wife. Thank you kay Nay. Congratulations. Ordered so the hobbyist, no? From the hobbyist. Pakibasa ko ulit, baby. From the hobbyist. Shout out to the hobbyist. Just tingnan niyo eh. Ngalan.
Hobbyist toys and cards.
Hobbyist toys and cards. I just ordered premium gold repacks. So this is it. For that, we will open first. Nag-order po kong binder. We'll try. First, we're going to open the binder. Binder.
Congratulations.
Okay, Nay, congratulations. Okay. Oh! 2BCW. Good binder daw ako binder ni. The Collector's Choice Hobby Store. Thank you. And wow, nice. Just ordered 2. Okay, proceed. Let's proceed. Mail day kay Nay. Congratulations. Whoa, wow, nice pack. Wow, knife free. Wow, nice, thank you, sir. John Michael Agdipa from Batangas City. Ay, actually, gi-order mo na ako ni po, di ba? Dili mo ni free. Pero gi-order na ako na, girl. Check ko na, girl. I just ordered also nga MJ Exclusives MVP.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, dili day free. Sorry. The hobbyist. Wow, nice ang pagka-pack. Pack. Wow, nice. Let's go there. So this is now or never. Okay. So excited. Nice po din mga pack niya ni girl, no? Wow. Mga asawa nag-snack. Rag na po, say congratulations. Oh, what is this? A premium something. Oh. So ano siya ay mga best siguro niya sa likod. Okay, let's start with Russell Westbrook Prism. Ant-Man.
Sorry.
Okay. We have Ant-Man. Second year. Yeah, it's a second year Ant-Man. We have O'Shea Brissett. NBA Hoops. Milwaukee Bucks Grayson Allen. Sabonis. Ooh, rookie card of JT Tour. And we have Kelly Olynyk. Jimmy Buckets, NBA Hoops. What year is this? 22, 23. Oh, it's a new one. Kobe White. Second year. Chuma Okiki. Scotty Barnes Chronicles. Nice. Rookie card. Donovan Mitchell. Oh, another Scotty Barnes. Scotty Barnes. Nice. Thank you. Scotty Barnes. Scotty Barnes. Tribute. Whoa! Slum of Anthony Davis rookie card. This is rookie. This is the rookie season. And we have instant impact. Franz Wagner.
The verdict is as follows. In accordance with paragraphs 96 and 97 of the Penal Code of the German Democratic Republic.
And then we have Christian Braun. Whoa! Jalen Green. Nice. Jalen Green RC. Wow, nice. Not bad, be. Not bad siya. And I think this is the one. Hit. Pwede siya hit niya. Hit is. Wow! Andrew Wiggins, be. Nice. Be, tanawa, be. Memorabilia select.
Good job.
Throwback. Naka-presa man siya. So it means kuhaan siya, be, kanang parallel. Oh. Nice. Andrew Wiggins. Nice. Thank you. Be, thank you sa congratulations.
Yeah. Congratulations.
Wiggins. Thank you, the hobbyist.